Assalamu alaikum. I am Afran Sari from Mizan Education Institute pursuing pre-primary teachers training course, and this is my assignment presentation on topic discipline. Discipline is a factor that makes us learn the principles that are required to become successful, and teaching discipline to the tender minds can help them develop throughout their life, and this is what makes discipline so important. And discipline helps the preschoolers to develop teamwork qualities, build strong relationships, and also to be the ideal leaders for the society. Basically, Basically, it's a journey from two kids fighting for a toy to two kids intelligently sharing the toy and understanding the importance of sharing. And there are few methods that can be used to develop the discipline the preschoolers, like instead of scolding, nagging, or shouting at them, we can just let them be themselves and, and enjoy their play, but just keeping an eye on their actions and guiding them and explaining them in the way that they enjoy. For example, we can give them a reward or a gift for a good act instead of caning and punishing them for a bad act, because appreciation and reward is very, and yeah, appreciation and reward helps them to follow the habit more regularly. And this brings me to the conclusion of my assignment, which says that discipline should not be a list of rules and regulations that are forced on a child. Instead, it should be taught as a way of life, because they are at the most beautiful phase of the life, and the students and the preschoolers are seeing the new face of the world. Thank you.